Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Teacher Ryan. Today we're going to learn something exciting about mathematics, especially how to find the volume of a cylinder. If you've ever wondered how much water a tank or how much water a tank can hold or how much soda, especially Coca-Cola, fits inside a can. Kung nagtataka kayo kung ilan yung volume na mapasok doon, so this is the lesson is perfect for you. Right? So our topic for this evening is about find the volume of a cylinder. So this is grade 7 mathematics. So we have learning objectives. First, letter A, derive and state the formula for the volume of a cylinder. Letter B, accurately compute the volume of cylinders given the radius or diameter and height. And lastly, letter C, let us solve real life and mathematical problems involving volumes of cylinder. Okay, what is the formula for the area of a circle? Can you guess? Okay, so if this is our circle, of course, so let us find first what is this. So this is a radius. Okay, so this is a radius. So if you're going to line it here and connect dito sa baba, okay, pasensya na kayo sa linya, so hindi siya straight. So kung from here hanggang dito, natin, so from here hanggang dito, that is called a diameter. But if the center, so dito siya hanggang dito, okay, that is a radius. So ang kalahati ng diameter is the radius. So the area of a circle is equivalent to pi r squared. When you say pi, ang equivalent niyan is 3.14 kung 2 decimal places lang tayo. Pero kung 4 decimal places, that is 3.1416. Okay? So that is the equivalent of a pi. So dito natin, the area of a circle is pi r squared. Ibig sabihin ng radius natin is square na siya. Next, what is the formula of the volume of a rectangular prism? Alright, when say rectangular prism, ito po ang kanyang itsura. So para siyang aquarium or sapatos or lalagyan ng sapatos. Okay, your box. So the volume for the rectangular prism are the following: length times width times height. Of course, this is our height. This is our length, yung mahaba. And this is our width. So, bakit volume? Right? Since this is already a three-dimensional, we call that as a volume. Kung ilan yung pwedeng mapasok dito. So, i-compute natin siya. So, malalaman natin yung kanyang volume by multiplying the length, the width, and the height. Okay, next. So today, the lesson will show how the volume of a cylinder can be derived from the area of a circle and the height. So this will help to solve real problems such as measuring the water tanks or storage containers. So we are here not only solving, solve na lang natin ang area ng cylinder. So hindi natin alam or hindi na natin anong purpose nito. Alright? Ano ang impact ito sa ating pamumuhay everyday? So dito, malalaman natin what is volume of cylinder in real life situation. So, derivation of formula. So, the base of a cylinder, which is circle, right? So as you observe, yung ating mga pipe, yung ating mga water tank, so those are examples of cylinder. So if we have tumbler, alright, so yun natin ng tubig, so mostly cylinder. So ang base po niyan is circle. So therefore, the area of circle is pi r squared. Then we're going to multiply it by the height to get the volume of pi r squared times height. So ang volume ng cylinder, so kinuha lang siya doon sa area ng ating circle, which is pi r squared, and the height, which is this one. So pi r squared times the height. Right? So this is an example of our cylinder. Next example, we have this one. A water tank in the shape of cylinder has a radius of 1.5 meters and the height of 3 meters. So find its volume. So paano natin siya i-solve? Okay, so this is our tank. So water tank. So tangke ng tubig. So sabi dito, radius and the height. So the radius is 1.5 meters. Palagay natin that is 1.5 meters. And the height is 3 meters. So ang height ng tangke natin is 3 meters. So ngayon, find its value or volume. So what are we going to do? So first, find the formula. So use the formula, which is volume is equivalent to pi r squared times the height. So what are the given? So radius natin is 1.5 meters. Height natin is 3 meters. Okay, step 1. Okay, number 1. So anong gagawin natin? Number 1. Okay, lagay natin. So pasensya na kayo ha sa atin. So this is pen dito sa ating PowerPoint. So to improve us, please like and share naman para lumaki yung ating channel. So ang gagawin natin is square daw the radius. So square natin. So itong radius natin is 1.5. So 1.5 square or 1.5 times 1.5, that is 2. Okay, 2 point, okay, 0.25. Okay, so that is 2.25 times, okay, times natin siya sa 3 meters kasi ang height natin is equivalent to 3 meters. Ayusin lang natin. Mahirap pagsulat ng ating numbers dito. So this is 3. Erase ko na lang. So, ulitin natin. So this is 3. Okay, 3. Close. Then after that, step 3 is you're going to multiply. So 2.25 times 3, that is 6.75. Okay, 6.75. So ito yung ating multiplication or ang product ng ating radius at saka height. So 2.25 times 3, that is 6.75. And then to get the volume, so do not forget to multiply it by the pi. So ang value ng ating pi is 3. Okay, 3.14. So 3.1416. So 4 decimal places tayo. Times 6.75. 6.75. Okay, now to get this one, you need to multiply So the product is, or the volume is equivalent to 21. Okay, 0.2 or 21.20 cubic meters. Okay, do not forget to write the units. So the volume of our cylinder is 21.2 cubic meters. So ito po yung volume ng ating cylinder. For example, lalagyan natin siya ng tubig, ng radius niya is 1.5 meters at saka ang height niya is 3 meters. So kung lalagyan natin ng tubig, so a total volume is 21.20 cubic meters. Right, example number 2. So a cylindrical pipe has a diameter of 8 centimeters and a height of 50 centimeters. How much water can it hold? Okay. So, pakita natin yung ating pipe. For example, this is the pipe. So, pili tayo ng isa dyan. Alright. So, this is our diameter, which is equivalent to 8 centimeters. This is our height, which is equivalent to 50 centimeters. Now, ang tanong is, how much water can it hold? Okay, let's go. So solution, again, the formula of the volume of cylinder is pi r squared. Step 1, identify the values. So pinakita ko dito, diameter is 8 centimeters. Okay, sabi ko kanina, ang diameter is whole. So from sa circle, dulo at dulo talaga. So radius is only half of diameter. So therefore, you're going to divide it by 2. So 8 divided by 2, that is 4 centimeters. So our radius is 4 centimeters only. And the height is still 50 centimeters. Now, by using the formula, so i-apply natin dito. So we have 4 square. So this is r squared. So you need to square. So 4 squared, that is already 16. Kasi 4 times 4 is 16. Ang iba kasi nagkakamali, ginagawang 4 times 2. Then, multiply it by the height, which is 50. Tama? Okay, 50. 50 tayo. So, mamaya na yan si pi. Okay? So, para may upgrade tayo, please like and subscribe. So, 16 times 50, that is equivalent to 800. Alright, 800. So, 800. Okay, sorry. Erase ko lang. So, 800. Then, 16 times 50, that is 800. Tapos, i-multiply na natin siya ngayon sa ating pi. Okay, dito sa ating pi. So, our pi is 3.1416. So, 3.14. Pasensya na kayo. 16. Okay. So, 3.1416. So, ulitin natin ito. Itong point. Palakyan natin ang point. So, 3.1416 times 800. So, that is equivalent to, or approximately, that is 2,000. Okay, 2,500 13 point 28. Okay, we have cubic centimeters. Pasensya na po. So again, ulitin natin. So our pi is 3.1416. So bago natin siya kukunin, so multiply muna natin si r squared. So our radius here is 4 centimeters. So square natin, that is 16. So 16 times 50, which is our height, so that's equivalent to 800. And then 800 times pi, which is 3.1416. So that is approximately or equivalent to 2,513.28 cubic centimeters. So ito po yung ating volume for our cylinder, which is the pipe. So ito po ang hold niya. So in order to get this one, so you need to follow the formula. And huwag kalimutan yung ating units, which is centimeters or cubic centimeters. Pag feet naman, cubic feet. Pag meters, cubic meters. So, finding practical applications in daily living. So, ma-apply natin siya in our daily life. For example, determining the liquid capacity of tanks, bottles, or cans. Yung sa tubig kanina, sa litro or sa tangke, so malaman natin if the height and the area of a circle are given. Next, in engineering, installing pipes, columns, and tanks. And lastly, in manufacturing packages or packaged products like sodas, cans, yung mga pagkain or inumin na nasa lata. So we can get the volume of that. Okay, ulitin natin. So this is a cylinder. So the volume of a cylinder equals the product of the area of its circular base and its height. Again, ulitin natin. The volume or the formula is pi r squared times the height. So let us practice. So kindly comment your answers below. So for number 1, find the volume of a cylinder that or with radius of 3 centimeters in the height of 7 centimeters. And number 2, a cylindrical jar has a diameter of 12 centimeters and the height of 15 centimeters. So find its volume. Okay, sige na ho. Okay, please like and comment your answers. So I hope naintindihan. So today, so thank you so much for giving us the time to listen. So we learned that the volume of the cylinder is simply the area of the base multiplied by the height. So super easy, right? So madali lang talaga. So thank you so much. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mathematics tutorials made fun and simple. So muli, so this is Teacher Ayan. Daghang salamat.